I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Install a Jupyter-capable app or set up Termux with Python. Once installed, grant storage and network access so notebooks can be saved and packages fetched. Next, create a dedicated folder for your projects and enable Cloud Sync if you want backups. This gets you from zero to ready. The app runs the server or local kernel, Python is available, and your workspace is organized, so you can open or create a notebook immediately. Once the app and folder are ready, install key packages with pip or the app's manager. This lets you run data and plotting code. Make sure to create or point to a virtual environment if you want isolation, and select that kernel inside the notebook interface. After installing, run quick tests, import libraries, print versions, and draw a tiny plot to confirm rendering. If cells execute and plots display, your environment is functioning, and you can proceed to build real notebooks. To finish, run your notebook cells sequentially using run all and save often to avoid data loss. Restart the kernel when state becomes inconsistent. Export copies as IPINB or HTML and sync them to cloud storage for sharing. If something breaks, first check the kernel log or the app's console to see error messages, then reinstall the offending package or clear outputs and rerun cells. Make sure permissions and storage space aren't blocking writes. This single check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.